There are times when a user has found that the ground profile tool will not store the ground profile, and it's my experience that you could try another option um, so that you could get your ground profile stored. So I'm going to go ahead and close this particular tool, and you can use the draw profile tool under plan preparation, draw profiles. The draw profile tool allows you to create a profile and then store it into Cogo if you want from a surface. So we're going to focus on the surfaces tab here. You'll notice this is all grayed out, so I'm going to go ahead and place a profile cell. The first thing I'm going to do is place that cell in my drawing. So I'm going to give it some basic information here. The lower left corner will be elevation 700, station 0, and we'll go up 100 feet above and below that location. So you can see it's on my cursor. So I'm just going to place it out here in the drawing, and now I can see it's been placed. It's in the active file relative to my Cogo chain 1. So now when I go back to the draw profile tool, I have all this information available. It's not grayed out anymore. So here's my profile cell. You can see the profile cell stores that information in it so it knows. And I'm going to draw my surface. So I have an existing tin. I'm going to select that. By feature, it'll be fine. Browse my features, and I have a existing ground profile feature, and I'll go ahead and add that to my list here. So it's going to draw the entire length of my chain. So there's my profile. Now once I've placed it, now I can have the option store surface in Cogo. So I'm going to go ahead and store that into Cogo. I'm going to give it a name, exist, store profile in the Cogo. I can also create an input file, and I can create a 3D profile string. So I'm going to store that into Cogo, click apply, and it will tell me right here, profile exists was stored successfully in Cogo. And if you want to check that, of course, just go into coordinate geometry and take a look. And you can see there's my chain, my profile. So in times where the ground profile tool from Project Manager has not worked, feel free to use the draw profile tool, draw your profile, then store that into Cogo.